Hello again, this is Sharon from Mad Paper Crush. Welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to do a little flip through of a new digital kit I have out in my Etsy shop, and it's called Christmas Bounty. So it is filled with plants and flowers and foods and animals that remind me of the bounty of Christmas, the blessings, the hope that we have when we come to Christmas time. So first I'm going to show you the journal pages that are in it. So these are just full pages of design, and there are 10 of these. I already have them printed double-sided because I'm going to probably work on a journal with these after this. So the first one here is this, and I'm going to show you all the front sides first and then we'll do the back sides. So this is the front of the first one. It says around the Christmas tree there, and there's a gorgeous pine here. And then this is the second one with a lovely vintage postcard and some birds on there with roses and other flowers. I love these little white flowers with the berries. And then this one has some pine cones and some more greens with some berries on there. Some little holly tucked in here or there, a little angel there. And this one has more of the fruits on it. This one has some pears and some persimmons and some little Asian eggplants. And then this one has some lilies there with a little, Christmas greeting here and a little label and a butterfly, Christmas greetings butterfly there. Oh, and this is the ephemera, but we'll go through that in a minute. So next I wanted to show you the back sides. So like I said, I'm just going to flip those ones over because I already have them. And all the back sides do coordinate with a front side. So this is one. Now I noticed when I printed this one off, the distress edge isn't showing on these two sides, but that's just because my printer didn't pull it through right. So this distress line that you see all around here actually does go all the way around the paper there. And then this one, if you remember, had the Christmas tree, the pine on it with the red flowers. And this one has a bunch of the fruits on it. I kind of did them as a shadow so it would be easy to write on this page if you wanted to use it for journaling. And I also added in some grid lines in there. I thought that made that look fun. And then this one, you can kind of see some of, the ivy and the yellow, or I'm sorry, the white flowers in the background there with just a hint of some handwriting script on there. And then this one also has the handwriting script on it, and it's more of a brownish color to match with some of the trees and things. And that is all of the papers. That's the 10 papers that come with it. And now let's take a look through the ephemera. So first we have, I tried to include a lot of different things in this one. So you can see here I have an envelope that you can, when you cut it out, you just fold on the lines and it creates a little envelope there. And then this piece right here actually fits right into this envelope so that you can use that as a journal card right inside of there if you'd like to. And then I have some postcards and then some little collaged tags. These have a little decorative top. You can kind of see the decorative top on here. And they're about, when you print them out full size at 100%, they're about 5 inches tall and about not quite 2.5 inches. So maybe 2 3/8 or a little over that, I don't know. A little less than 2.5 inches, let's say that. So that's those. So here's the envelope all put together. I cut it out and just glued it together here. You can see it has a flap with the pine cone on it there. And I also cut out the card that slips right inside. So you can see once you have them both together, you have a full envelope and an insert that goes right in there. And then this is a file folder. Now you can cut out this whole thing as one piece and then just fold it down the middle to create a front and a back of the file folder. And then when you fold it in half, you'll have that all together. But you could also cut this in half and create 2 separate file folders with it if you wanted to as well. So let me turn it around this way So this is the right side up part, and then when you fold it in half, there's the back is right side up this way, if that makes sense. And then here is another page. This is another file folder. It's a little bit smaller than the other ones, and it's just a single one for you to do, you know, however you'd like to do it. You could print the back side of this with one of the journal pages to have something on the back there, or you could line it with coffee dyed paper, or you could even just print this on cardstock if you wanted to, and that would be sturdy enough to create a little file folder there with that. And then I have more postcards, a little label here. This is a little ex libris card, and then just a little card here, journal card there, that could be used as a tuck spot or something in a journal. And here's the file folders. Now, I'm not done with this one, but I just wanted to kind of show it to you in the beginning stages. So I just have cut it out. This one is the one that was on the page by itself, and I just cut it all out and folded it in half, and you can see here how it has a nice file folder edge and everything. So probably what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to cover the inside, and I'm going to add little pocket gussets so it's it stays together. So it, you know, it doesn't open, it becomes sort of an enclosed pocket all by itself. And then this one is the one that was on the double page. And this one I actually cut out together, folded it in half, glued it together, and now it becomes a little file folder all by itself. And you could even fold it the other way if you wanted, you know, maybe to do some more collage on this side or something like that. But those are the two file folders that are included, and the envelope that are included in the kit. The next one here is mostly postcards. So these are the backs of some postcards and the front of some postcards. They don't actually go together, but you could put them together if you wanted to, you know, make them into one card themselves. So I loved adding the different fruits and wreaths and flowers on here. And these are actually vintage from my collection that I have. And then this one, this is an old store receipt there with some partridges there, and I put some pears on that tree there for the partridge in the pear tree. And then this is a Metal and Supply Company invoice with a beautiful Christmas wreath on there. And then two small cards, a Christmas rose and some holly on here. I thought they'd be cute little tags, or even collaged onto a bigger piece, or just put into a journal, you know, clipped on or something like that. Okay, and the next page of the kit, I've included some large tags, and these are about, if I remember correctly, a little bit less than 6 inches tall and about 3 1/4 inch wide. So I think these are a good size to do in a full-size journal. You could certainly print these out at a smaller size if you wanted them to be smaller. I have this lovely vintage Christmas tree and some music on one, with of course some pears, and then this one has some pine cones on them. And then I also included some words. So I thought that these are the words when I think of Christmas bounty. These are some of the words that I think go well with that kind of thought. Blessings, prosperity, grace, hope, peace. I also included 2020 if you wanted to add that, you know, to a card, or even, you know, just to sort of mark the date in your journal. I think these would be great, you know, for collage, or to even adding to some of these other, you know, bits and pieces that of ephemera in the kit itself. And then this page, I have 2 pockets. So these are corner pockets, and I have one that goes, you know, like on the left side page, and one that would go on a right side page if you wanted to do that. And they have the folds and everything on here. And they're, you know, corner pockets, obviously. So, you know, this would go on the side of the page there. You would glue these 2 flaps down, and then you'd have a nice pocket right there to put things in. And then this one also includes 4 T cards. You could certainly leave these together and make a, you know, note card out of it, or even a pocket or something like that if you wanted to. Or you could cut them apart to use them individually as smaller ephemera inside of your journal. And then this is the last page. Now the last page is actually, you can kind of tell, it's just a bunch of to and from cards. So this page actually is going to coordinate with a freebie page that I've put together for you. And this is the freebie page. So if you buy the kit, this won't be in the kit, but you can get this separately for free just by going to madpapercrush.com/Christmas bounty. And I will link that in the description down below. And you can get this page to make gift cards. These actually work with the T cards. They would be the size that you would put on the back of a T card. Or you can use these for these freebie ornaments to put them on the back to make them gift cards. Now, I just wanted to explain a minute about the freebie. The freebie I put together in collaboration with Michelle from Tape and Twine. And she is going to use these graphics to make some clay ornaments using a design transfer process that she does with these images onto clay. And let me just tell you, they are absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to link the freebie down below. I'm going to link to Michelle's videos that she has where she's using this freebie to create some ornaments so that you can craft with your friends and family this year. You could make ornaments to give away to your friends. And I believe that she's going to have some other projects in the month of December to make some different things either with these ornaments or, you know, something similar. So I hope that you'll go check her out and check out the wonderful free class that she's offering to make these clay ornaments. Make sure you subscribe to her YouTube channel so that you can see what she'll be up to this month. So that being said, this is the last page in the kit, but it does coordinate with the freebie that you can get all by itself. So I hope that you'll watch. I'm probably going to be doing something with this myself on my YouTube channel, something a little different than Michelle, but with these same images. So I hope that you'll be watching to see that. I'm also going to link the kit down below so that if you're interested in checking the kit out at my Etsy shop, I will put that link down below. Thanks so much for watching today, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.